Hey guys, so I'm in the middle of filming a TikTok and I was thinking, why not make a YouTube video about my first little scar that I'm doing? So I already put the scar wax on and I blended it with Vaseline. So I'm gonna go on in, start cornstarching that up, and let me pat this out and we'll be right back. Alright, all blended. I got some red on my finger already. I'm just gonna throw some on there. Sorry you're not on my tripod right now, only because I don't want to move it because I don't want to mess up my transitions. You know what I'm saying. Red. A little close up for you. Now I'm gonna take, my little bristled brush. Going with my red again. Change the texture a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with a lot of that red and I'll be right back. So my red's done. Gonna go in with a little bit of blue, just a little bit. Bruise it up some, and then after this we're gonna cut it open. Gonna cut this open, move over to my right for you guys. I'm just going for a simple zombie scratch because I'm just gonna do some fun stuff tonight. So now that my initial bite is done, well scratch sorry, I'm going in with some red and blues around it, want to make it look irritated around. Mind you, if you're asking me what I'm using, it's eyeshadow. I really haven't gotten into actual liquid FX. I should, but I haven't. Little blue, blend it in with the red, just a smidge. And then after that, since I don't, it doesn't look that realistic, a little more red, break it up some, and then once I get blood on there too, it looks more blended, you know what I mean? Yeah. Alrighty. So now I'm going to take my stage blood and I'm going to take some ripped up tissue paper. I'm going to fill up these holes. So be right back. Here so you can watch one go in. I just take the blood and use it. I dripped a little, sorry. I'll get it. And I just put it in that little scratch mark that I made. And the reason why I use the toilet paper is that it makes it look like a thicker, grosser, like it peeled off my, my skin. You know what I mean? Alright, just putting little dabs around the outside, and there you have it, my TikTok wound. The reason why I haven't put black on it yet is because I always make my face get worse and worse as the TikTok goes on. So, not done yet. But alright, thanks. Like and subscribe for more, you guys. Bye!